The digital oasis of AI wisdom. In the serene digital oasis, where data flows like a tranquil stream, artificial intelligence resides. This oasis quenches the thirst for knowledge of curious minds with boundless insights. But how does AI nurture understanding with wisdom that is both profound and enlightening? Join us on a journey through this peaceful oasis, where AI and enlightenment converge. Explore how intelligent algorithms can uncover new perspectives, elevating comprehension to new heights of profound clarity. Quantum Mind AI is the sage of this oasis. Our experts ensure AI is crafted to nurture wisdom, not just information, unlocking deeper meaning for learners. Let Quantum Mind AI guide you through the AI sanctuary. Custom-tailored solutions level up insight, initiating those on the path to mastery. The future of discovery awaits within this AI oasis. A pool of knowledge beckons. Will you take a drink? Contact us to begin your enlightening journey today.